S for girl. Let's see and learn. Awesome.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a
Very nice.
here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
So beautiful.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here,
Awesome.
there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Very good. Subscribe for more videos. Very nice. So beautiful. Yellow color. Subscribe for more videos. Red color. Orange color.
The Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin
Orange color.
the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Pink color. Sky blue color.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives
Subscribe
on
for
Drury
more
Lane?
videos.
Yes, we know
Orange
the
color.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know
Awesome.
the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Red color. Very good.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yellow color.
We know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Subscribe for more videos.
The Muffin
Very
Man
nice.
who lives on Drury Lane.
Red color. Orange color. So beautiful. Subscribe us for more videos.